When you need to pump a lot of water for your dewatering application, look no further than the RPS Pro Dewatering Series pumps. These pumps can move a lot of water. It will do around 400 gallons per minute, which is around 150,000 gallons per day based on a 6-hour pump day. This is Mike with RPS Solar Pumps. As you can see here, it's a very beefy, robust pump. Probably weighs 100 pounds or so for the 3 horsepower model, and it varies anywhere from a half horsepower up to 3 horsepower depending on the amount of water you need to move. It has a big inlet and can handle the submerged solids required for a dewatering application. That means if there's little sticks, little pieces of mud, algae, or anything else, it's able to grind it up and spit it out in order to dewater your location. The pump is submersible and can pump to around 45 feet of pumping head, but of course at those higher pumping heads you're going to get a bit less volume, but still it's going to be perfect for your dewatering application needs. We have these located on construction sites, we have them located in mining pits. Wherever our customers need to move a lot of water, we recommend the Pro Dewatering Pumps. Like all of our Pro systems, it comes with the pumps, comes with the controller, comes with the solar panels, and comes with accessories needed to set it up. This is very unique. There's no time before when a solar pump, direct drive, not requiring batteries, and having optional AC backup is able to move this volume of water. This pump is solid and built to last, featuring cast iron and an inlet on the bottom. So the water flows in the bottom and is pushed out of the outlet here. And like I mentioned, it's designed for submerged solids. And so it's not gonna get clogged up if you have a dirty water situation for most dewatering application. In fact, it's built so heavy duty, they have to put a handle on top so we're able to carry it around. If you're not quite sure about your application or need help with sizing, feel free to give us a call. We'll review your application, how much water you need to move, and we can recommend the right pump or the right size of this dewatering pump. Come check it out at rpssolarpumps.com or give us a call at 888-637-4493.